How to customize the home page in File Explorer on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control what shows up on the home screen when you open File Explorer. First, open File Explorer on your computer. After that, click on the three dots at the top of the window. From there, select Options from the drop-down menu. At this point, in the window that opens, look for the option labeled Open File Explorer 2. In the next step, click the drop-down and choose either Home or This PC, depending on what you'd like to see by default. Following this, click Apply, then OK to save the setting. Once done, close and reopen File Explorer to confirm it now opens to your chosen page. From here, if you want to control what appears specifically under Quick Access on the home page, go back to the three dots menu and Options. At this stage, uncheck Show Recently Used Files or Show Frequently Used Folders if you'd like a cleaner homepage. Keep in mind, unchecking both of these will make Quick Access mostly show only the folders you've manually pinned. Finally, click Apply and OK once more to save your changes. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize the homepage in File Explorer, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.